Hi, it's me, Markov Yuri, and today I will talk about the pooping and farting sound effect from Sean the Wolfram fan. Wolfram member. It's from a video called When All These Farts on at RANIACANSHOULDJOC Part Y-J3Y. It was uploaded 3 months ago on August 3rd. The duration of the sound effect is 042 to 115. The sitting sound effect will be removed at the beginning, and the female text-to-speech voice will be removed at the end. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet. Ugh. Ow. My stomach hurts. I need to use my tummy muscles. Ugh. I feel so much better after taking a nice big poop. This sound effect lasted for 33 seconds because I really needed to poop so bad. Remember kids, when you need to go poop, just use this sound effect. It starts at 042 and ends at 115. Make sure you remove the sitting sound effect at the beginning and the female text-to-speech voice at the end.